So, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this, day number 8. And honestly, today I probably could have gone without uploading, but I did say I'm upload every day, so I have to. Absolutely nasty weather today. Whew, you know, that's why the umbrella. It's like that. See, all that rain and wind. I'm telling you now. Fuck yeah, see? I'm telling you now, I'm not gonna have this umbrella by the end of the day. Well, end of this video. I tell you now, I won't. It's already started to break up on me. But yeah, in today's video, we're gonna go down to this reservoir. I've been there plenty times. It's like a good spot to, like, say, get a couple of drinks with you, sit down, not on a day like this, but like on a good day, get a couple of drinks, put some music on, chill out. It's a really, really nice spot. It is a bit of a pain to get down there, but it is worth it. So yeah, I'm walking down basically this sort of, how would you call it, a countryside road. Literally nothing here but bushes and just a bunch of sheep shit. See, sheep shit on the floor, and that's it. So it's gonna be an interesting day, and if the umbrella breaks, that's it. I'm soaked to the brim. So this is the reservoir. It's empty now. Oh, it's so shaky. But yeah, it's the reservoir. It's empty now, but last time I was here, it was full. Absolutely bogging outside. You know. Down there, some rundown, I don't know, houses or things like that. But yeah, not a bad place to hang out. Not a bad place, is it? Would be even better if it wouldn't be bogging down like it is now. But yeah, not bad. Literally straight ahead, all that fog is on the mountain. That's where I was, on top of that mountain, and look how foggy it is going today. You know, foggy as hell. Shitload of sheep though.